Imagine being lost in a sea of ineffective feedback systems, drowning in generic evaluations. Gulf Cryo faced these hurdles, seeking a way to revamp their leadership development process with precision. Their existing evaluation processes were cumbersome, often bogged down by the limitations of Excel sheets. With a need for a tailored competency framework, Gulf Cryo turned to SurveySparrow for a dynamic solution. SurveySparrow's personalized 360-degree assessments unveiled unique leadership qualities, enhancing the evaluation experience dramatically. Custom questions and scalable scoring methods allowed Gulf Cryo to capture meaningful insights effortlessly. The automation of report generation transformed the tedious feedback collection into a seamless process. Leaders emerged from this experience with newfound self-awareness, ready to confront their strengths and weaknesses. By incorporating tailored development plans, leaders received focused guidance for their continuous improvement journey. SurveySparrow became an invaluable partner, driving efficiency and clear alignment with Gulf Cryo's strategic goals.